Imagine a manufacturing business struggling to streamline its production process, facing inefficiencies and cost overruns. This is a reality many industries grapple with as the complexities of manufacturing planning and scheduling take center stage. Navigating through the labyrinth of manufacturing involves juggling numerous balls. You have raw materials that need to be procured and managed, machinery that needs to be maintained and operated efficiently, and a workforce that needs to be organized and motivated. At the heart of it all lies the intricate dance of planning and scheduling. Planning, the roadmap to production, is about deciding what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce it. It's about aligning your resources with your goals and ensuring that you have everything you need to set the wheels of production in motion. On the other hand, scheduling is the conductor of this symphony, dictating when each note should be played to create a harmonious melody. It's about coordinating all the elements of production to ensure that they work together seamlessly, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Yet, the challenge lies in the unpredictable nature of manufacturing. The raw materials market can fluctuate, machinery can break down, and unforeseen circumstances can disrupt your carefully laid plans. This calls for a solution that not only plans and schedules effectively, but also adapts to changes swiftly. Moreover, the stakes are high. Poor planning and scheduling can lead to costly overruns, wastage of resources, and missed deadlines, tarnishing your reputation and harming your bottom line. In contrast, effective planning and scheduling can optimize your operations, reduce costs, and improve your return on investment. Thus, the need for an effective solution to manage the complexities of manufacturing planning and scheduling is more than apparent. A solution that can handle the dynamics of the manufacturing process while ensuring efficiency and cost-effectiveness. The question is, can a technology like SAP S/4HANA provide a solution to these challenges? As we delve deeper in the following scenes, we'll explore how this robust platform can revolutionize your manufacturing planning and scheduling, turning challenges into opportunities. Enter SAP S/4HANA, a powerful platform designed to transform manufacturing planning and scheduling. SAP S/4HANA is more than just an enterprise resource planning software. It's a digital core that brings together every facet of your business, from finance to human resources, into one unified system. But where it truly shines is in its application to the manufacturing sector. Imagine having real-time insights into your production line, being able to make quick, informed decisions on the fly. That's what SAP S/4HANA offers. It gives you a bird's-eye view of your entire operation, allowing you to streamline processes, reduce waste, and maximize efficiency. Its core functionalities include everything from material requirements planning to detailed scheduling and capacity planning. But it's not just about the here and now. With SAP S/4HANA, you're also future-proofing your business, thanks to its predictive analytics and machine learning capabilities. But what does this mean for planning and scheduling in manufacturing? To understand how SAP S/4HANA revolutionizes manufacturing, we must first understand the difference between planning and scheduling. Let's start with planning. In the context of manufacturing, planning is the process of determining what products to produce, when to produce them, and where they will be produced. This involves analyzing demand forecasts, determining the resources needed, and setting production goals. It's about looking at the big picture, strategically aligning production with business objectives, and ensuring resources are optimally allocated. On the other hand, scheduling is more granular. It's the process of assigning specific tasks to specific resources at specific times. Think of it as a detailed roadmap of production, outlining who does what, where, and when. Scheduling is crucial for coordinating tasks, managing workflow, and ensuring timely completion of production. So, while planning and scheduling are distinct processes, they are deeply interconnected. Planning sets the strategic direction, and scheduling translates this into actionable tasks. Both are critical for efficient manufacturing operations. They help balance demand and supply, optimize resource utilization, and streamline production. In essence, effective planning and scheduling are the gears that keep the manufacturing machine running smoothly. However, traditional planning and scheduling methods often fall short in today's complex manufacturing landscape. They struggle to adapt to rapid changes in demand, resulting in inefficiencies and missed opportunities. This is where SAP S/4HANA comes in. SAP S/4 HANA reimagines planning and scheduling for the digital age. It leverages real-time data, predictive analytics, and machine learning to create dynamic, responsive, and optimized plans and schedules. It helps manufacturers stay agile, make informed decisions, and drive operational excellence. To put it simply, SAP S/4HANA takes the guesswork out of planning and scheduling. It provides the tools to anticipate changes, adapt quickly, and seize opportunities. It's not just about keeping up with the pace of modern manufacturing. It's about staying ahead of the curve. With this understanding, let's delve into how SAP S/4HANA enhances these processes. SAP S/4HANA is packed with modules designed for effective planning and scheduling. These modules are the gears and cogs that power the entire manufacturing process, providing the tools necessary to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. Let's dive into the key modules for planning. First, we have Material Requirements Planning, or MRP. This module helps manage the manufacturing process by calculating the materials and components needed to produce goods. It's the brains of the operation, ensuring that you have the right materials at the right place at the right time. The result? Less waste, more efficiency, and better use of resources. Next up, we have Production Planning, or PP. This module is the heart of the manufacturing process, pumping life into the production line. It helps you plan the what, when, and how of production, coordinating various manufacturing processes to ensure smooth operations. With PP, you're not just making products, you're crafting a well-orchestrated symphony of productivity. Last but not least, in the planning department, we have Demand Management, or DM. Think of it as the crystal ball of manufacturing, predicting future demand to inform production planning. By balancing supply and demand, this module helps prevent overproduction or stockouts, keeping your operations lean and mean. But what about scheduling? Well, SAP S/4HANA has got you covered there too. The Detailed Scheduling, or DS module, is like the conductor of your manufacturing orchestra. It fine-tunes the timing of production processes, ensuring that every note, or in this case, every manufacturing step, hits at the right moment. It's all about precision, timing, and coordination. And then there's Capacity Planning. This module is the guardian of your manufacturing potential, ensuring that you have the means to fulfill your production plans. It takes into account machine availability, labor hours, and other factors to determine your production capacity. With this module, you can plan confidently, knowing that you have the means to deliver what you promise. These modules are not just individual entities, but parts of a grander scheme. They work together, like a well-oiled machine, enabling you to plan and schedule your manufacturing operations with precision and accuracy. But these modules, however, are only as good as the data they are fed. They need accurate, real-time data to function at their best. And that's where the power of real-time data integration comes into play. But we'll delve into that in the next scene. For now, just remember, SAP S/4HANA's planning and scheduling modules are the tools that can help transform your manufacturing process, driving efficiency, reducing waste, and ultimately boosting your bottom line. In the age of IoT and Industry 4.0, real-time data is a game changer. This statement brings us to the heart of this segment. The power of real-time data integration is a force to be reckoned with in the realm of manufacturing, particularly when it comes to planning and scheduling. Imagine a time when data was collected manually. It was prone to human error, lagged behind real-time events, and was often incomplete. The result? Inefficiency, missed opportunities, and a lack of agility in the manufacturing process. Fast forward to today, where we're in the midst of a digital revolution. With the advent of IoT, or the Internet of Things, and Industry 4.0, the landscape has changed dramatically. Now, devices and systems across the manufacturing floor are interconnected, constantly communicating and sharing data in real time. This continuous flow of data provides a more accurate, up-to-the-minute view of operations, allowing for more informed decision-making. Imagine this scenario. A machine on your production line starts to function below optimal levels. In the old days, this might have gone unnoticed until it caused a significant problem. But with real-time data integration, the issue is flagged immediately, allowing you to schedule maintenance before it becomes a critical issue. preventing costly downtime and maintaining your production schedule. But the power of real-time data integration goes beyond immediate responsiveness. It also enables predictive capabilities. By analyzing patterns and trends in the data, you can anticipate future needs and challenges, allowing you to adjust your planning and scheduling accordingly. This proactive approach not only optimizes your manufacturing operations, but also gives you a competitive edge in the market. In essence, the integration of real-time data has transformed the manufacturing industry. It has made planning and scheduling more precise, efficient, and adaptable, leading to improved performance, cost savings, and ultimately, higher profitability. But what does this look like in practice? Well, stay tuned. In the next segment, we'll delve into some real-world examples of how businesses are leveraging the power of SAP S/4HANA and real-time data integration to revolutionize their manufacturing operations. Let's look at some real-world examples of businesses utilizing SAP S/4HANA for planning and scheduling. Imagine a global leader in the automotive industry, faced with the challenge of managing complex supply chains and production processes. With SAP S/4HANA, they were able to achieve real-time visibility into their operations, enabling quick decision-making and more accurate demand forecasting. The result? A significant reduction in lead times, improved customer satisfaction, and a healthier bottom line. Then, there's the story of a major pharmaceutical manufacturer. They were struggling with inefficient production schedules and high inventory costs. By leveraging SAP S/4HANA's robust planning and scheduling modules, they managed to streamline their operations, reducing both production cycle times and inventory holding costs. This led to a substantial increase in their operating margin and a more sustainable business model. Consider also a large food and beverage company, grappling with the unpredictability of consumer demand. SAP S/4HANA's predictive analytics capabilities help them anticipate market trends, adjust their production schedules accordingly, and minimize waste. The impact? A more agile, responsive supply chain and an uptick in customer satisfaction. And let's not forget about a high-tech electronics company. They were dealing with the pressures of rapid product lifecycle and intense competition. SAP S/4HANA's real-time data integration and detailed scheduling capabilities allowed them to keep pace with the market dynamics, ensure timely product launches, and stay ahead of their competitors. The outcome? Enhanced market share and improved profitability. These are just a few examples of how businesses are harnessing the power of SAP S/4HANA to overcome their planning and scheduling challenges. The beauty of this solution is its versatility. Whether it's a small-scale manufacturer looking to optimize its resource allocation, or a multinational corporation seeking to streamline its global operations, SAP S/4HANA has the tools to make it happen. These success stories show what's possible, but how do you ensure your own success? Remember, every business is unique, and so are its challenges. The key is to understand your specific needs and configure the system accordingly. It's not just about the technology, it's about how you use it. Implementing SAP S/4HANA requires careful consideration and best practices. It's not just about the software, it's about how you use it. Let's start with configuration. Customization is a powerful tool, but it can also lead to complexity. The key is to keep it simple. Use the standard features whenever possible and customize only when necessary. This approach will make your system more stable and easier to upgrade. Now let's discuss common pitfalls. A big one is underestimating the importance of data quality. Remember, your system is only as good as the data you feed it. So invest time in data cleaning and ensure your data is accurate, complete, and up to date. Another common pitfall is neglecting training. Your team needs to understand how to use the system effectively. So make sure to provide comprehensive training and ongoing support. But what about the future? We're living in a rapidly changing world, and technology is no exception. Two key trends to watch out for are predictive analytics and machine learning. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future events. It can help you anticipate demand, optimize inventory levels, and prevent downtime. Machine learning, on the other hand, involves algorithms that improve over time. It can automate routine tasks, identify patterns, and even make recommendations. Imagine a future where your system not only tells you what's happening now, but also predicts what will happen next. A future where your system learns from experience and gets smarter every day. That's the power of predictive analytics and machine learning. And guess what? SAP S/4HANA is already making this future a reality. So when you're implementing SAP S/4HANA, remember these best practices. Keep configuration simple, prioritize data quality, invest in training, and keep an eye on future trends. This way, you'll not only maximize the value of your current investment, but also future-proof your operations. But what's the bottom line? Effective planning and scheduling with SAP S/4HANA can significantly optimize costs and improve ROI. So let's delve into how this digital core delivers tangible business value. By streamlining manufacturing processes, SAP S/4HANA reduces operational complexity, thereby cutting down costs. It also enhances productivity by automating routine tasks, making your workforce more efficient. The real-time data integration capability of this system provides decision-makers with timely and accurate insights, leading to informed choices that can potentially increase profitability. Moreover, the integration with Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 technologies positions your business at the forefront of the digital revolution, opening up new avenues for innovation and growth. With its predictive analytics and machine learning capabilities, SAP S/4HANA not only helps in anticipating future trends, but also in proactively adapting to them, giving your business a competitive edge. In the end, the success of your manufacturing operations hinges on your ability to effectively plan and schedule. And with SAP S/4HANA, you're well equipped to do just that. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the challenges of manufacturing planning and scheduling to the power of SAP S/4HANA. We've delved into the role of real-time data, the significance of planning versus scheduling, and the key modules in SAP S/4HANA that can help streamline these processes. We've explored use cases, best practices, and future trends. The future of manufacturing is here. It's time to embrace it with SAP S/4HANA.